Hello, so today we're going to learn how to update the magazine website. First things first, we log in. As you can see, I've already logged in here, but your login credentials will be right here. You put in your username and password, click on login, and you'll be right in. Once you're logged in, you'll see this control panel. Go to the left hand side, click on dashboard. That'll bring you to the back end of the website. Once on the back end, you'll see a bajillion options. Do not be afraid. You're not going to be needing to use most of them. Go to post, okay, and view all posts. So the posts are going to be all the articles on the website. So you can click on them to see any one of these articles. You'll be able to see who wrote it, the author, the categories that they're in, and which tags that they're currently under, and also the date they're published as well. To create a new article, simply click on Add New. And here we have the title of the article. You can type in anything you want, and then type in, copy and paste, or type in the actual article right here. You can modify the text here any way you want. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, and these are the various options and tools that you'll have here. You may not need to use most of these other ones, but they're there. Okay, so scroll down. I would not touch this. I would just leave most of those. What I would do though is, now I would for the most part leave it on standard. Gallery, image, quote, and video can be confusing, and they can look very ugly if not configured properly. Standard will look fine regardless of whether you're posting a video, an image, or an article. This is where you select the categories. You can check as many categories as you want. You're not limited to one. If you have a category that's currently not in here, click on Add New Category and type it in. Now, if you want this to fall under a subcategory, simply under the parent category, select it and select that, and click on Add New Category, and we're done. The new category is now added. Tags. Tags are used for SEO purposes. You don't have to put any in if you don't want to, but you're more than welcome to. Down over here, rating title. If you want to give the rating some sort of title, is this a review? Is this a I don't know, whatever title you want to give it. You don't have to put anything there actually. I would leave most of these features by default. Once you're done, go to publish, and the article will be done. Now let's say you want this article to be restricted, or you don't want this article to be viewed by the world, and this is something that you have to pay to see. Well, in that case, up here, top right hand corner, you see post level restriction. Click on it, and you can choose to set level 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and we'll go over that in a second. Those are the different membership levels that people can buy. You can set up to 4 membership levels. Okay, moving on, we ignore portfolio, go to slide. Slide is the main slider on the website. Show you. Okay, so these are the various sliders that we currently have right now. So on the website we have this, which is the homepage slider. Now in order to update this, it's very simple. You go to here, okay, you can click on you can add a new one by clicking Add New. Okay, put a title for your slide, and you can put the text for this area right here. That's your title here, and this is the little text that goes in there, and a link to the image wherever you have the image, and you can choose the background color here as well. Once you're done, simply click on Publish, and that will be published. Oops, I forgot a very important feature. The image that you currently see right here, okay, these images, they are the featured image, so you would have to set a featured image in order for that to take place. Okay, you go ahead and select an image anywhere on your hard drive, and then click Set as Featured Image, and you're good to go. Next up, we have pages. Now media is simply shows you all the files you currently have uploaded to the website. That's all. You can upload an image here and use a link to put in other locations. pages will show you all the pages that you have on your website. Believe it or not, you will never need to touch this area. Comments, you can manage that. Let's go to WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the shopping cart that we've added to the website. The first thing you see is going to be orders. Here you can see all the orders that are currently being placed on the website. You can see how much it is total, and you can there are a couple options here for you to do. Reports. Reports will show you graphically how well your shopping cart is doing. And coupon, you can set a coupon code if you so wish to. Simply click on add new coupon right here. And description of coupon, the discount type, is it a percentage off? Is it a certain product discount? Do you enable free shipping for this one? And basically you follow the directions here and you can create a very specific coupon. Now settings here is it gets a little interesting. I wouldn't touch settings once we configure it once for you, but of course base location, we're going to want to change that to the United States. United States, New Jersey, where's New Jersey? Okay, and we change that to dollars. Okay, and we hit save changes, and we're good to go. Now, I'm not going to go into all these other options here. You certainly can. Most of these are going to be set once and only once. If you feel they need to go in again, you're more than welcome to, but you usually wouldn't need to go in and set them again. Products. Okay. This is also very important. Let's say you want to see how your products are doing. Okay. Go to products, and you'll see a list of all the products currently on the website. And you can see the prices and categories and stuff. And so you want to add a new product. This can get a little bit involved. It will look very similar to post. So the name of the product, okay, and a little description of the product that you're selling. And down here, you can set the product categories. Let's say you want to sell, this falls under beauty, okay? Then we set the category as beauty. We simply add a new one because there is no beauty category. And you keep adding categories based on what kind of categories that you might need. Okay. And here, if you want a barcode, I will leave this alone. The regular price, let's say this was $99, and the sale price, okay, let's say now it's $89. It will show it graphically on the front page what it will slash out the 99 and show the 89. Inventory. Do you want the site to manage a stock for you? If you set this and you say that you have 10 items, every time somebody purchases one, this will go down by one. And when it's low, it will let you know that you are low. Shipping. Let me see. You can select the weight of this and the dimension that you'll be shipping this in, and it will give you a more specific shipping quote. Attributes. This will be let's see, you wouldn't need to mess with that. Attributes will be when you need to set sizes or colors. In order to do that, just click on add. Okay. Name, I'm going to call this one size. Okay. And value, let's say it's XS, small, comma, space, medium, comma, space, large, comma, space, extra large. Check it visible on product page and click save attribute. Now the product will have these dimensions and people can select the size that they want. Okay, and that's all you need to worry about down here. Oh, of course, featured image, the image that will be shown on the website, and also a gallery if you want to upload additional images for the products. And you click publish once you are done. Let's see, appearance, theme options. Okay, here is where you can modify the theme to your likings. Again, for the most part, you wouldn't need to go here because changing the theme here could alter the look of the website dramatically and could actually interfere with some of the settings that were made on the website from other plugins, such as the WooCommerce or the membership plugin. So once this is set, I will leave it alone, but you're more than welcome to look around and play with it. I wouldn't touch plugins. User, if you need to add additional users to the website to help you manage the website. Okay, you should set their username, their email. You don't need to put their name, last name, or website. And this is where it's important. You will set the role for them. Okay, editor is the role that cannot modify the website, but they can add contents to the websites. And same thing with author. Yeah, and then just click on add new user. And SC2 member. Okay, now it's going to get a little bit involved. Okay, there are countless options there, and it will be overwhelming, to say the least, to go over every single one of these options. Let's go to restriction options. So let's say on the website you want to restrict a certain category, or a certain, let's say category to be wide. Now, if you remember, you can restrict a certain post when you go to the post, and you, let me show you again. You can go to any post, and you can restrict access to a particular post by setting it right here. It will require a certain level to view. But let's say you want to be a little bit broader. Let's say you wanted to do it automatically, so that every time you upload something in a specific category, it would automatically lock it and require a payment in order to view the contents. Well, in that case, you click on access category access restriction. Under here, okay, now it's a little hard to see, but you can see category that requires level 0, okay, category that requires level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. And under each one, you will need to put the ID, the category IDs in here. Now, how do you find the category IDs? Okay, I'll show you. Go to post, go to category, and these are the different categories that you have created for the post, which are the articles on the website. Let's go to health. Let's say we want to limit access to health altogether. So every time you add something to health, it becomes automatically locked. You would then go up here, okay, right. Do you see this? Category and tag ID equal sign 7. That will be the category number. So then we go back to here, and we'll go categories that require level 0 or higher. Let's put down 7, and comma, and then we find another category. Let's click on jobs. Okay, click on jobs, and now it shows us the categories number 8. So then you put 8 and so on. You can unlock as many categories, you can lock as many categories as you want. Once you're done, be sure to click save changes. Otherwise, it'll be a lot of work for nothing. Okay, now those categories will be locked. Now, how do you set the price for the subscription? Okay, go to PayPal buttons right here under S2 members. Now you can say here's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Level 0 is a free access level, therefore there's no cost involved with it, but they do need to register. So let's go to level 1. Okay, now simply read this and it will generate a button for you. I will offer the first, let's say, 30 days for free, or let's say we charge, $10 for the first 30 days, and then afterward we're gonna charge $14.99 every month. Okay, you can do bi-monthly, quarterly, annually, but of course we choose monthly. And the checkout method will be PayPal in US dollars. And here's a little description that we'll get in an email. Set this up, click generate button, and it will tell you the button has been generated. Click OK, and here's that button right here. Copy that button, and now let's see, yeah, now you are good to go pretty much. You can paste this button anywhere you want, if you choose to. You don't have to, but let me show you how it would look. Say we go to post. Sample article. Let's say I were to paste that button here and then update this sample article post. Now I were to view it.